It's the holiday season, and Melvin or I don't dress like this every single day, but this is our Parent ProTech Holiday Gift Guide. If you want to see all of our recommendations for safe tech and non-tech gifts for your kids this holiday season, you can check it out. You can go to the top of this playlist to see our full list, or you can also go to parentprotech.com and you will see our complete guide there.
And now we want to take some time to switch to some non-tech gifts. So we understand that, hey, it's not always a screen that is a gift. We want to give you the gift of outdoors, the gift of spending time together off of the screen. So now we have some awesome recommendations when it comes to non-tech gifts. And Joshua, you want to start us off?
Yeah, I think some of my best memories from childhood and honestly from adulthood are when I'm with a group, I'm with my family, with some friends, and we're not surrounded. I'm looking for my phone. I was going to say we're not surrounded by our phones, but I'm actually looking at my phone. We're not we're not on social media. We're not on our devices. We're just present with each other. And that's what these next games are designed to help foster. And it's just community. Our first recommendation here is Blank Slate. Now, this game is built on communication and writing skills, but it's also a challenge. It's a party game where players are secretly trying to match their word with one other player. Now, again, maybe not as friendly for younger kids, but for the older kids, this is a fun one. Lots of moments of just laughter and humor along the way. Our next recommendation is a GraviTrax Starter Set. So this is actually a STEM marble run system. That's a mouthful, but it's really designed to get kids to engineer, build, and create in unique ways and just get them thinking outside of the box. So really fun, hands-on game right here. And our last one is Happy Salmon, or as my mom says, Salmon. I'm joking. I love mine. This one is a loud, fast-paced card game. Players have 90 seconds where they're shouting and performing actions. Really fun, and just a great way to kind of break the ice, too. If you have a group of people over and you want to play something fun, really fun.
Yeah, 100%. And I think it's one of those games that you bring to a family gathering, or you bring to a friend's house, or some kind of gathering, and you'll become a favorite because it's such a fun game. I think any game where you can get loud, it just, like, the louder it gets, I feel like the meter for fun just kind of goes up. Right? Have you noticed that? Like, no one ever says, like, you think about chess, right? And it's just a quiet game. But you don't hear no one saying, like, I had a blast playing chess last week. It was just peaceful.
Never.
You know what I mean? And I think the louder things get, the more, like, I don't know if that's some kind of psychological thing, but the louder the game gets, the more fun it becomes.
Yeah.
So go figure.
And fun.
Loud and fun. It's a combination right there.
Okay, Melvin, take us home. You have a few more fun and really interactive games?
Yeah. To wrap it all up, we have a few more non-tech gifts that we recommend. First one being a Pickleball Starter Kit. You can actually use this starter kit in your driveway. If you don't have a driveway, that's fine. Take it to the park. But you can actually basically have a pickleball set with you at all times. Keep it in your car and, make a quick stop at a park, or even set it up at your home and play a full game of pickleball. This encourages families to just get out there to play. And I do want to mention that parents, be sure to start stretching at least an hour before playing. You'll thank me later. Trust me. I actually just played pickleball for the first time a few weeks ago, and man, I was a lot more sore than I thought I would be playing pickleball. It's just such a fun game.
That's the truth. I've been playing for a few years now. Even as a 20-something, I was getting beat by 60-somethings. So there's a lot of strategy and a lot of skill in the game too, but it's also just a fun introductory level game.
Yeah. Yes. For everybody. Everybody can play this game, which I think is one of the best parts. And then the next recommendation we have is the PlasmaCar Lightning Glow Rider. I mean, that's a mouthful, but it's like one of those little carts that your child can ride. I mean, they could ride it in the house, or they can ride it outside, but it's just that perfect companion to get them on the go if they don't know how to ride a bike yet, or they're not on training wheels yet. I mean, this is just a great toy to just kind of start there, and to get your child to get the energy out of them, because a lot of kids have a lot of energy at that age. So this is just a great starting point. And
Yeah.
then last but not least, we have Spikeball. And this is a Spikeball game set. Spikeball. You like Spikeball?
Love Spikeball. It's my beach game of choice. Not very not very Christmassy. I love it.
Yeah. Depending where you live in the country or in the world, you can actually play this year round. And that's what I was going to mention. I mean, it's perfect for the beach trips, and just get the family active. And I will say that the same rules for stretching for pickleball apply for spikeball as well. So don't forget.
And they
Yeah.
also have a glow in the dark Spikeball too. So you
Oh,
can
do
play
they
it.
really?
They do.
Wow.
Yep.
Yeah. So it's perfect for daylight savings time when it gets dark at 3 o'clock. Great.